What are makers and takers? Binance and some other exchanges operate on a maker-taker fee structure, providing different trading fees to makers and takers. Maker fees on Binance are generally lower than taker fees. That's because a maker provides liquidity for the order book by placing an order that can be matched in the future. This makes the marketplace like products on a store shelf, whereas a taker consumes the book liquidity by taking an order from the order book, taking away inventory from the store. You become a maker when you place an order and it does not trade immediately, so your order stays in the order book and waits for someone else to fill or match with it later. The taker is someone who decides to place an order that is instantly matched with an existing order on the order book. Trades from market orders are always takers, as market orders can never go on the order book. Trading fees on Binance are paid once the trade executes. The moment your order fills or trades, it is defined as either the maker or the taker of that trade. That's what determines whether you pay the maker fees or the taker fees.